Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
Okay guys, we're back at the big block again. We're going to check out if she will fire today. Fingers crossed for the 400th time. And let's hope she will run. She ran. Luckily, it cost a few hairs on my arm, maybe some eyebrows. Nice fire, but she runs, guys. Okay guys, so after being on fire yesterday, we just decided to buy an expensive fuel pump. So here it is. We're going to install it on the big block. Safety first, and hopefully we don't catch on fire today.
Got it.
Okay guys, so it's the next day. We needed to wait for some extra hoses for the radiator. So we're going to remove everything again, put on the pulley, also put on the alternator again, and make her fire and be cool. We will remove this fiscal clutch for now. As you can see, it's really bent. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. That was the update of part 4 of our square body build. If you like our videos guys, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Thank you for all the love and support. I hope to see you in our next videos.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.